What is going on YouTube? My name is Mechanic Mayhem, this is my channel. If you guys are watching this right now, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to jumpstart a car very easily. This is my easy tutorial of how to do that. Alright guys, let's head over to my mom's car and get started. Today we're using my mom's 2011 Honda Pilot. I've got my jumper cables here and I'll just show you guys how to do this real quick. So what you got to do is you take your little cap off the top of your thing here, and you use your positive side, which is always the red side. What you do is you pop it onto this little the nut that is attached to the battery, and then what you do is you take the negative side, or the ground, which is always the black, and attach it to something like this. For instance, I'm just using an example right now, something that's ground other than the actual battery itself. And then what you guys do is you hook it up to the other side, the other car. What you want to do is have that car off at the time, and have your car off at the time, even though your car is obviously not going to start yet, or hasn't been starting. But you take the other end of the jumper cables, which is over here. I'm not going to actually hook it up or anything to another car. I'm just going to tell you guys what happens. Hook that up to another car, and you take that, and you leave that there. You turn on the other car, and then you let the battery and the jumper cable sit for about a good 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you try to start your car. If it doesn't start after about 15 seconds, let it sit for another minute or two, and then try it again. Even 5 minutes would do very well. Alright guys, so let's head back to my desk and I'll tell you some more. Alright guys, we are back at my desk here. This has been how to jumpstart a car very easily, an easy tutorial. Alright guys, well, I'm going to call it off from here and tell you guys to take her easy. So, peace.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.